This is the weather. Oh yeah.
You walk all the way over, you can get a good
Whoop, that's hail. We got a tornado. Yeah, we got that gushing over there. I'm saying this to my friend in Japan. Yep, it's definitely yellow sky, but that's sunset. Yeah. I got here before the storm. That's the only thing I'm proud of. I told the storm, you're not gonna start until I get home. I got home, finished unplugging the toilet, and it started. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Still gushing over there. Ah! Ah! I got blinded. That was right above me. Anyways, I at least dreamed of having this thunderstorm. Yep, they're all gushing. And we have a creek all the way over there. Don't know if you can see it, but right there between those trees where that white spot, that's water. Yeah. Well, the creek is already gushing. And I'm gonna stop for at the 3-minute mark, so.